Amazon may suspend your product listing or even your entire account for violating their product authenticity and quality policy. This usually happens when Amazon doubts the authenticity of your product or believes it doesn't meet quality expectations. To resolve this, you need to submit an appeal with clear documentation. Start by gathering invoices from your suppliers. These must be dated within the past 365 days, show the correct product information, and match your sales volume. Each invoice should also display your supplier's full contact information: name, address, phone number, and website, and must match the address on your Amazon seller account. Do not edit or digitally alter these documents. You're allowed to hide pricing, but everything else must remain clearly visible. Once your documents are ready, log into Seller Central and go to the Performance Notifications page. Find the notification and click Appeal. Read the instructions carefully, scroll down, and upload your invoices or other supporting documents like receipts or authorization letters. If required, include a brief explanation or plan of action that addresses what went wrong, what you've done to fix it, and how you'll prevent it in the future. Before submitting, confirm that all documents meet Amazon's guidelines and check the box to acknowledge this. Once submitted, Amazon will review your appeal. They may contact your supplier to verify the documents, but they will keep that information confidential. If your appeal is approved, your listing or account will be reinstated. And remember, opening a new account while you have a violation on an existing one is strictly against Amazon policy. Always appeal the right way, with complete and honest documentation. If you need expert help preparing your appeal, visit AmazonAppealLetter.com. We specialize in reinstating Amazon accounts and listings quickly with customized appeal letters that actually get results.